What's going on, y'all? We back. It's your boy T-Bro. Nice sunny day here in California. So this switch right here was making the turning signal, and the heater was not working because it was like half disconnected and stuff. Oh shoot, there it is right there. It just came right out. So I'm pretty sure that's what's going on with my turning signal and heater. So just bought a brand new one, all one piece. I think it just costed like $17. It looks like, I don't know if you can see on this, just those two bolts right here and right here, they're like star heads. So all you gotta do is back those out, screw these in, pop it in. Should be an easy fix. Okay, so these screws here should be a size T27, but my little driver nut, it's not big, but it's too long. So we have to take off just this initial part of this dashboard. We'll see. Alright, so I think if I push this up, I can maybe get this one in. You see right there, just kind of snake this in there. It's probably not the best angle, but it's a star. Shouldn't really strip. Bam, she fall right out. Next we're gonna unhook this from the clip. Should be able to just take this right off. Side. Come on now, baby. There she is, sorry. Pull her out. So here's the new one here. It just pops right off. So this little sliding thing, as far as the wheel lock, I want to say, or the key lock, gotta line that up. Want to put this guy in, and he should go like into this. We keep him in the lock position. Yeah, there we go. So we have it in the lock position, so it's all the way up. Then he should slide into this little hole right here. I'm talking about this little pin. Then he'll slide up and down for engaging and disengaging the ignition and all the electrical stuff. So let's see if we can fit him in there. I feel like it's in. And I'm going to, just for simplicity, because how hard this was even to put on here with this right here, I want to plug in this electrical connector afterwards. So we got the same screws that came off. Let's see if we can get them back on. There we go. All I got left now is the back one. Take off my tape that was holding this. I got my extra long screw. This plastic is definitely bending, but it's plastic. But she went in. She going in well. I can't even see the slide. Oh yeah. Key come right out. This is a new ignition. That's a whole other video if y'all want to see that. So we should just be able to just pop this back in. Pop this bad boy back in. Button everything up. Hopefully she start right up. It's unhooked. It's already set up. We should be able to just pop it back in. We should be good to go. There goes one. There's one. This one did click too. I don't know if y'all heard it, but it clicked. That's in. She tight. No more gap. So we're gonna hook up the power real quick. We'll cut it back on. Let's see. Oh, keys in. Turn to the right. Y'all heard of the ignition, you heard that. Fuel pump. See the fan work? So yeah, the fan back working. Previously, the fan was just like cutting on and off. This is a nice good connection, she's strong. I gotta push the clutch, put all this back together, but we'll see if she starts up. Ah yeah, there she is. There she goes, so all I gotta do is put everything back together. What's up, y'all? It's your boy T-Bro, and I hope y'all enjoyed that. Hopefully, you learn a few tips and tricks and as far as how to work on cars. I may make more videos as I start working on this Foxbody more. I hope y'all enjoyed it, but that's how you change your electronic ignition switch. Maybe it took like 20 minutes, not too bad. But now the turning signal, the heater, all that stuff is working now. Just cut on the heater, so it was cutting in and out, and it's also killing the ignition. Yeah, I'll see the turning signal right there to the right. I'll show you. It's kind of bright in this car. Cut on the lights. But the turning signal back over here. Turning signal also over there to the left. And also the heater. Heater back working. Hope y'all enjoyed that. So yo, stay tuned. It's your boy T-Bro. So we do more Foxbody stuff. Stay tuned. I don't know what I'm doing next, but I'm gonna start vlogging and start working on this car more. But it should do work. Y'all hear that?